most common misconceptions about belly fat is a lot of people think that you can like just do like a bunch of crunches and core exercises and that's going to get rid of your belly fat. And honestly, it's not. You're not going to necessarily burn belly fat and get your belly to be flatter and trimmer by just doing like a bunch of crunches or other core exercises. What you are doing is strengthening your core. You're strengthening the muscles, but on top of the muscles is fat, and it's subcutaneous fat, also visceral fat. So visceral fat is the fat that's around your organs, protects your organs, helps keep your body temperature where it needs to be. Subcutaneous fat is the fat that's underneath your skin, and that provides your body with cushion as well, but also helps regulate your body temperature. And when our bodies are in a calorie deficit, when we're not eating as many calories as our body burns every day, that's when our bodies start to burn fat, the subcutaneous fat or visceral fat. So it's more about being in a calorie deficit, eating fewer calories than what you're spending. That's what's going to help you eventually to burn belly fat. But doing one specific kind of exercise is not going to help you to like spot burn, like burn from this specific spot. A lot of women say like, I want to burn the fat underneath my arms. And like you can't tell your body where to take the fat from when you're in a calorie deficit. What you need to do is just work on overall fat loss, right? Overall fat loss. And eventually, as your overall body fat percentage comes down, eventually you start to see the tummy get flatter, or you might see some abdominals poking through. But like keep in mind, like this right here, like underneath your arm, if you have a female body, okay, the way that our hormones are structured is that, you know, our bodies are primarily going to store fat in a couple different places. They're going to store it in this general area, and they're going to store it in this general area. So these will be like the first places, actually I should say like this general area. We always got that little fertility pooch, right? And those are the first places that our body is going to store new fat when we overshoot our calories over an extended period of time. That's the first place it's going to go. For many of us, it'll be to the booty. For many of us, it'll be like underneath the arms. And then it's in terms of the belly is, you know, guarding the important stuff that keeps you alive, right? Your internal organs. Your body, it's like gonna take fat from where it's less needed first. So your body needs less fat in the extremities of your appendages, right? Your arms, your legs. So it's gonna take from there first. That's why your legs and your arms will start to look skinnier while you still may see that you have a little bit of a belly. It's because your body is burning from the outside in, and that's how fat loss works. And I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. And anybody who tells you differently is lying to you. Anybody who tells you that you can burn belly fat without burning fat anywhere else, they are lying to you. And they're probably trying to get you to buy something. But the reality is that you can't tell your body where to burn fat. The only way that you could firmly get rid of belly fat while not taking it from anywhere else would be liposuction, which is where they go in and they literally suck out the fat cells, and they literally suck it out of your body. But in terms of like how healthy, normal fat loss works, you're not gonna burn the belly fat just by doing crunches without being in a calorie deficit, and it's going to take time. It's going to take time for you to get your overall body fat percentage down as your body works its way in from your outside of your hands and your arms in towards your center. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.